Hello guys, welcome back to another Photoshop tutorial. This video I will teach you how to place logo in t-shirt with simple and easy steps. The first step is to select the quick selection tool. Select the shirt. And press Ctrl+J. Now make a duplicate layer of this. In the document section, change to new, and name it. Now, press Ctrl+Shift+U and go to Filter, go to Blur, and go to Gaussian Blur. Select the radius 1 and click OK. Now save this file as PSD file. And close this window. Now place the logo you want to place on your shirt. Right-click on the logo and convert it to Smart Object. Now go to Filter and go to Distort and click on Displace. Click OK and select the previously saved PSD file. Change Normal to Multiply. Right-click on the logo layer and go to Blending Options. In the underlying layer, hold Alt and adjust this. Now click OK. Now you can see this beautifully placed logo looking amazing. Please support this channel and like this video, and be sure to subscribe this channel for more interesting Photoshop videos.